Are you enjoying the beach, buddy? Look at those sandy boogers. That's nasty. Here it goes. Jump, jump, jump. Never had so much fun with some sand and a log. The sun is shining. I think it would make it better on the beach is if we had some water, but it's safer this way anyway.